Director and showing a virtual tour of the campus, and we'll be doing a lot of details about the United Institute of Hotel Management. Now, let us have a look inside.
Hello everyone, myself Abdul Razak. I am a director of United Institute of Hotel Management, Vijayawada. We have started this college in the year 2020 and we have kept great efforts to build this college, and we brought the international equipments, infrastructure which really helps the students to develop in their career, and we try to give them the real-time experience in all the areas, like in teaching method, in practicals. And because this is really important for the students today, because whatever they're going to see in industry, which we're going to provide here in our campus. We have been proved the best in academics. At the same time, we are also doing best in placements, because today placements are very important for every student, and we have already placed our students in different locations like Bahrain, Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and as well as Maldives. Let me explain the brief about hotel management course. Hotel management course is one of the best course today we have in the world, and it has mainly consists of 4 major departments, that is front office, housekeeping, food production, and food and beverage service. Along with these 4 major departments, we also train them in communications, English, French, accounting, because today all these are very important for students to develop in their career. So the student who join hotel management, they have different opportunities, and they have different career opportunities in all the areas like hotels, airlines, and we have also banking sectors, multinational companies, cruise ships, and different areas where they can go and work together. Coming to the courses offered at our institute are, we have integrated courses like 3 years degree in hotel management along with aviation and as well as competitive exam, and we have 3 years degree in business management along with competitive exams and aviation, and we have 2 years diploma in hotel management along with intermediate, and we have 1 year diploma in hotel management, and we have 1 year diploma in food production. The eligibility is 10th. Now it's time to have a tour our campus. Let's move. Hi Naveen, how are you? Welcome to United Institute of Hotel Management, Vijayawada. So today I will show you our college tour. So before that, we will go to the our practical labs. So here is our front office lab. So this is one of the lab in hotel management course. So in this lab, we will teach all the students about the hotel procedure in the reception, like check-in, check-out process, and reservations, taking reservation, handling telephones, and group check-ins. All these procedures will teach here the students. At the same time, how to handle the currency and how to communicate with the guest, handling complaints. All these procedures will handle it in this lab. So this is one of the lab. So let's come to the lab. So I'll show you. So here we have a library. This is our important point, that we kept our libraries in each lab, so that whenever the student have any doubts, they will clarify here here itself. So we keep in every lab, we have one individual libraries. So we have one here and we have one more there. So let's come inside. I'll show you the front office lab. So here we do check-in and check-out process. So the students will stay here and they do the process, and whatever the procedures we have in the reception, they will handle it here. Hope you have seen the lab. So I hope you have understand. Now we will go to the next lab. So please. So welcome to housekeeping lab. So I'll show you the inside housekeeping. Please come inside. So here is the housekeeping lab. So here we teach. Housekeeping department is one of the major department in hotel, and we call it as a backbone. And here we train our students all the procedures of housekeeping practicals, like cleaning the bedroom, cleaning the public area, and flower arrangements, and we do chemical removals, and we handle all different types of chemicals here. So we have different chemicals, we use how to handle those chemicals, and also we have equipments here. These are the chemicals what we use. So each and every tile and each and every floor we use different chemicals, and here we have different equipments. Okay, these are the equipments how we use in public area cleaning. So different uses of equipment, manual, mechanical, everything we teach here. And let's come to our model guest room. So welcome to guest room. So this is a model guest room what we have prepared for the students. So here we teach our students how to make bed, because bed making is one of the important procedure in hotel, especially in housekeeping. So we teach different towel arts for the students to attract the guest, and as well as we show the different cleaning methods, different folding methods of bed making. So all these procedures we teach here for students to develop their knowledge, because tomorrow when they go to hotel industry, they found the same kind of procedures and the model of the guest room. So we have done a international level of model guest rooms. So this is our living area. So in every hotel there will be a living area in which where the guest will relax and they sit and they'll have some coffee, snacks and everything. So let's move to our another department. So I hope you have understand this department. Thank you. So now we will enter in bakery. So bakery is one of the department in the hotel and it comes under food production department. So here we teach our students all different types of baking products. So basically there are every colleges they should have one bakery separate, because bakery considered as a specialization course. So we teach our students here different types of cakes, different types of breads, different types of chocolates, cookies, muffin, all varieties of bakery products we prepare here. And here whatever the food they prepare they will display here, and here is the place where the students they bake the products. So we have brought the professional commercial oven here, because today the students when they go to hotels they will found this kind of equipment. So we have brought all the equipments which are used in hotel, because this will really help them in future when they go to hotels, because they have to get the same experience what they get here. So we don't compromise in any product, because today students have to learn in the real equipments. That is what we have purchased here. So now we are going to enter in food and beverage departments. In food and beverage department, food production is one of the major department we have. So in which we have one basic training kitchen. This is our basic training kitchen. Here we are going to teach all the students about the basic preparation of food, like basic cuts, basic cuttings, basic cooking methods, basic sauces, and at the same time basic egg preparations. And at the same time we also teach international cuisines here, like Chinese, Mexican, Japanese, Italian, all these kind of cuisines we prepared here. So each and every student have one station and they prepare different kind of food what they have, and this is our food range what we have here. So in which the students are going to prepare different different food preparations, and along with this we do have different equipments for every station, and we have like we have a griller, we have salamanders, all kind of, like even we have if students want to make the bulk cooking, we have different equipments. So we didn't compromise in any aspect for student development. So we try to give the best out of the best, because knowledge is something which you don't get in by seeing videos. Knowledge is something which they have to do with the physical experience, and that is the reason we have made the practical into a huge lab, and the students they will definitely gain a good knowledge from this lab. So now we are going to enter food and beverage service department. Food and beverage service department is one of the major department in hotel, and we treat it as a revenue generating department. Now here we have different and we teach our students here table setups, how to do table setup, different table setup like a la carte table setup, tabul diho table setup, and even we have course by course table setups, and different types of menus we are going to teach here. At the same time, how to handle the guest, their services, different type of services, and here we have a bar counter in which we try to teach our students different cocktails, mocktails, flairings, and all these things we're going to teach here. And today we have a good demand in the hotels about bartenders. So we try to teach in all the areas where student can perform, and whatever the benefit they get here, definitely they will utilize in the hotels. I am sure they will utilize all these practicals in a very proper way, and I am sure all these students who are trained in our college, they will definitely get a good job, because today we have a good demand in hotels, and this is how we have trained our students. And today even in this lab we try to teach our students, if 100 people comes and dine in the one place, so how to handle them and how to prepare the menu, how to cost even the menu, everything we teach our students here. So this is how the lab is here. So I request you to have a look. And as I said before, in every lab we have a library. So here also we have one library. I'll show you. Welcome to bar. So here our professional bar counter which we have made here, and these are the equipments what we have in the bar counter, and these are the different types of glasswares. So each and every glass has its name, use, capacity, which we will teach our students. And just come inside and I'll show you the equipments of bar. So these are all the equipment which we use in bar counter. Everything has its unique features, unique usage, so which we will let you know as soon as you come and join in our college. And also we teach our students different bartending, flairings, juggling. So with this we will teach our students how to juggle, and we all teach our students we also send our students to participate in different competition for bartending and as well as service competition. Thank you. Now we will enter into digital classrooms. So United is always look forward towards the betterment of the student, which is very important, is like development of student, their knowledge. And now here we have our digital classrooms along with air condition. Now the reason why we have digital classrooms is, today all the students, they have to understand that the digital classrooms helps them to understand the real-time experiences. So we try to show them different videos, different PPTs, and different all type of different real-time experiences, and we ask the students to interact them in the social media and all the areas that we try to develop them in each and every aspect. So that's the reason we have a digital classrooms, and every classroom has a digital classrooms. So we try to give them the real-time experience. So I hope this will really help the students to develop them today in digital world. Thank you. United, your future starts here. Be united, grow united. Thank you.